Ferruccio Lamborghini's tale of his very own automobile is widely known. Frustrated by the lack of a suitable car on the market, he took it upon himself to create one and installed a 12-cylinder engine within it. This engine design went on to become a defining feature of Lamborghinis, with the V8s and V10s powering many entry-level models, while the flagship model left no choice but to feature the V12. Just think about it. Miura, Countach, Diablo, Murcielago, Aventador, and many of their derivatives. The original engine underwent continuous development and was produced for over 4 decades, predating even the Miura, and served as a foundational concept for future motors. The engine following the 40-year tradition is the L539, a V12 powerplant unique to the Aventador that boasts a displacement of 6.5 liters and produces a formidable output of over 700 horsepower. This iconic engine, known for its distinctive sound, made its debut more than a decade ago in 2011. While supercars tend to have longer production lifespans than their ordinary counterparts, the time has come for a proper successor to the Aventador. Although the highly anticipated replacement has yet to arrive, the automotive world has already caught a glimpse of the power plant that will propel the future flagship Lamborghini. As we find ourselves in the year 2023, many has given up hope for a brighter future. However, with the possibility of a ban on internal combustion engines still up in the air, it is best to remain pragmatic rather than pessimistic. Hybrid Ferraris have already made their debut, electric Porsches are a reality, and Lamborghini's forthcoming flagship model is set to follow suit with a hybrid powertrain that promises to be just as thrilling. The new hybrid power unit will feature a V12 engine, partially based on the previous 6.5-liter model that was exclusive to the Aventador and known for its body-injected dry-sump design. The L545 is the name given to the upcoming 6.5-liter engine, which is touted as the most powerful and lightest V12 in Lamborghini's history. While it is unclear whether this claim includes the 830 horsepower Essenza SC V12, the new engine is expected to produce an impressive 825 horsepower. Its peak power will be achieved at a thrilling 9,250 rpm with a red line at 9,500. The torque figure is equally impressive, delivering 725 Nm or 535 pound-feet just under 7,000 rpm, leaving many astonished by the nearly 10,000 rpm engine capability. The thermal and volumetric efficiency of the new engine, several modifications have been done. Lamborghini's engineers have redesigned the air intake ducts to achieve even better cylinder filling, a crucial element in an engine capable of such high revolutions while remaining suitable for road use. Additionally, they have improved cylinder scavenging by reducing back pressure with the implementation of new exhaust manifolds. The chambers and combustion process have also undergone significant improvements, and the compression ratio has been raised from 11.8 to 12.6 to 1. Furthermore, the engine's weight has been reduced by 17 kilograms to mere 218 kilograms. Lamborghini has also paid close attention to the engine's soundtrack, promising a truly remarkable audio experience. The brand has put in extra effort to ensure that the sound of the engine is just as impressive as its performance, allowing drivers to enjoy the full Lamborghini experience. The engine is undoubtedly a significant aspect of the new Lamborghini power unit, but equally fascinating is the fact that the engine has been turned 180 degrees, with the transmission now positioned at the rear, similar to a Porsche Cayman. This rear mid-transmission layout has been used only twice, the Essenza and the good old Lamborghini Miura, which even more so had the engine transversely mounted. The complete power unit, dubbed the Lamborghini LB744, comprises not only the engine, but also a new hybrid transmission and 2 torque vectoring front electric motors, each designed as an oil-cooled axial flux unit. These models generate 150 horsepower and 350 Nm or 258 pound-feet of torque, and each weighs only 18.5 kilograms. In addition, a third electric motor is placed inside the transmission case, serving as a starter, generator, and power source. This unit generates 150 horsepower and 150 Nm or 111 pound-feet of torque. The new 8-speed double-clutch gearbox is a completely in-house design, featuring wet blades and capable of faster shift times than the Huracan's DCT. Moreover, it offers an additional gear for improved fuel efficiency. The gearbox weighs 193 kilograms and will be utilized in many of Lamborghini's future models. The battery pack, possessing a capacity of 3.8 kWh, is strategically placed in the center tunnel to ensure optimal weight distribution. Although its full electric range is only 10 km or 6 miles, the primary purpose of the electric powertrain is to increase efficiency and performance. Interestingly, the vehicle can operate in a front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive model without the V12 engine engaging, thereby augmenting its low-grip, low-speed capabilities. Remarkably, the LB744 power plant yields a combined output of 1015 horsepower, with the new V12 offering an exceptional power-to-displacement ratio of 127 horsepower per liter. The new Lambo is set to be revealed later this month, and even though I do not prefer these new supercars, as an engine geek, I truly look forward to that.